Why aren't you eating your dinner?
Because those are dinosaur chicken nuggets.
Wow. Look how ridiculous this kid is. Are you serious?
Oh,
Eat the food like a human.
I'm eating this. Green beans? I'm not eating this.
What about for V-Bucks?
No.
What about Robux?
That's gross. No.
Every single Wii game in existence?
Now you're talking. Yeah, my mom
Here's
needs
your
some
dinner.
food. I'm starving. Thanks, Mom. Yeah, my mom kind of sucks at cooking now.